Listeria outbreak possibly linked to pasta meals leaves 4 dead. Expands to 15 states. Deadly listeria outbreak. Contaminated ready-to-eat meals linked to multiple deaths and hospitalizations. A public health alert has been issued in the United States after an outbreak of Listeria monocytogenes was linked to contaminated ready-to-eat pasta meals sold at major grocery chains. The outbreak has so far resulted in 4 deaths and nearly 20 hospitalizations across multiple states. What happened and how the outbreak was discovered? The U.S. Department of Agriculture's Food Safety and Inspection Service, FSIS, working in coordination with the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, issued a health alert after testing linked specific pasta meals to the same strain of Listeria that had been implicated in earlier recalls. The outbreak initially involved chicken fettuccine Alfredo meals marketed under Walmart's MarketSide and Kroger's Home Chef brands earlier in 2025, which were recalled after positive Listeria tests. More recently, the FSIS expanded the alert to include 2 more pasta products. MarketSide linguine with beef meatballs and marinara sauce, sold at Walmart. Trader Joe's Cajun-style blackened chicken breast fettuccine Alfredo. Testing determined that Listeria was present in the pre-cooked pasta component of the beef meatball dish. That strain matched the one associated with the earlier Alfredo recall. The implicated products carried establishment codes, e.g. EST 50784, EST 47718, or P45288, on their USDA inspection marks. Information consumers are urged to check if they have purchased these meals. Scope and impact. The outbreak has spanned 15 states, involving 20 confirmed illness cases, of which 19 led to hospitalization, and 4 resulted in death. The fatalities reportedly occurred in Illinois, Michigan, Texas, and Utah. Health officials caution that the true number of infections may be higher, as Listeria-caused illnesses can sometimes go undiagnosed or unreported. Because Listeria can survive and grow at refrigeration temperatures, contaminated products already in consumer homes pose an ongoing risk, especially if stored long beyond their best-by dates. Who is most at risk? While Listeria infections can affect anyone, certain populations are at substantially greater risk of severe outcomes. Older adults, pregnant women, risk of miscarriage, stillbirth, or neonatal infection. Newborns, people with weakened immune systems, e.g. due to chronic illness. Symptoms of listeriosis may include fever, muscle aches, headache, stiff neck, confusion, and sometimes gastrointestinal symptoms. The incubation period is variable, a few days up to several weeks. Response and recommendations. Retailers and manufacturers. Walmart has removed the implicated meats from shelves and is working with suppliers. FreshRealm, the company distributing many of the affected meal products, has cited a third-party pasta supplier as the likely contamination source and is cooperating with regulatory authorities. Consumers should check refrigerators and freezers for the implicated products, matching brand, dates, and establishment codes. Do not consume the products. Either discard them safely or return them to the place of purchase. Clean any surfaces, containers, or utensils that may have come into contact with them. Listeria can contaminate other items through cross-contact. All recipes health. Be alert for symptoms of listeriosis, particularly if one belongs to a high-risk group, and seek medical attention if symptoms develop. Health lessons and outlook. This outbreak underscores persistent challenges in food safety and supply chain oversight. Even ready-to-eat products with broad distribution networks can become vehicles for serious pathogens if any component, such as pasta, becomes contaminated upstream. Regulatory agencies will likely intensify scrutiny of ingredient sourcing, supplier auditing, and pathogen testing protocols. For consumers, the incident is a reminder of the importance of vigilance, carefully checking package dates, inspection marks, and adhering to recall notices.